Hello everyone and welcome to our Hints and Tips with SOLIDWORKS Simulation webinar. We're going to run through this as a lightning round to figure out what to do when things go wrong in simulation. The first message, preload and bolt connector. Preloading at least one bolt connector is 0. Do you wish to continue? In this case, this is less of an error and more informational. We can click yes to this and the simulation will continue to solve. It's simply alerting us that at least one bolt connector doesn't have a preload in it. And in most cases, you would want to add some kind of torque or preload to your bolt connectors. If you click yes, the simulation will continue to solve without issue. However, it may not be the desired initial conditions with the bolts that you wanted to have in there. So always double check your bolts. The next one's a very common warning. Excessive displacements were calculated in the model. A lot of people finish reading this message at this point and simply click yes. However, you should not simply click yes to this. If you click yes, what happens is SOLIDWORKS turns on the large displacement option, and in a lot of people's cases, it still pops up with a warning saying that the simulation could not solve. This message pops up quite often when we don't have enough constraints in the model. We don't have enough boundary conditions, fixed supports, or things like that to constrain down the model, and it's moving off in a particular direction. In cases like that, it's important that we go in and apply those restraints before doing anything. If we simply click yes to this option, what happens is SOLIDWORKS will turn on the large displacement option, and even if our simulation fails after it's turned that on and we go back in and tidy it up, the large displacement option will remain on. So it's very important not to click yes to this or to go back in and turn off our large displacement option if we do not wish to use it.